Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun unboxing from Gourmet Candle. This is a subscription that I got. They do sell, individual products, but I did get the Deluxe subscription box, which includes 1 pie candle. They look amazing. And then you get 2 tins and then 8 ounces of wax. So I'm just going to unbox it so you can see what I got. And I think I'll subscribe for a few months just because I think this is super cool. So this is a pineapple upside down cake. It's adorably packaged. Let me get this unstuck here. Okay. They did put a bubble wrap in there. Try to protect it. It's so cute. Little pineapple and a cherry embed. It's super cute. Ooh, and it does very much smell like pineapple. Can't wait to burn that. I might include some footage or pictures of it as it burns down. I don't know if you guys are interested in that or how to go about reviewing some of these items for you. Maybe I could just tell you about them next month when I unbox the next one. But we got a Macintosh apple candle. Spot on for Macintosh apple. Smells really good. And this other one is called Vacation. And that one's blue. Ooh, that's really sweet and fruity. That smells so good. I love that one. And then the wax tarts look like food, which I love. So this one is a vanilla almond frosted sugar cookie. Adorable. This one is a mango coconut. Kind of looks like a little donut. Oh my gosh, these look like chicken wings. That's so cute. Birthday cake chicken wings. Hilarious. I love that. Then we have an amethyst plum. And the last one, mahogany coconut. Those look like little ice cream scoops. Super cute. So I will put all the information below. They have all sorts of products and things on their website. You don't have to get a subscription box if you don't want to, but there are several different types of subscriptions. I think there's one where you just get the pie candle, and then they also have ones I think just for tins. There's just like a variety of different subscription boxes. So I will leave all those details below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.